everyone, good day, welcome to my channel. What if I told you you can make a video of yourself and turn it to an AI video? Let me show you what I just did. 2 years ago, I was standing in front of a classroom. Today, I'm building web applications. The transition from teaching to tech felt overwhelming at first. I realized my classroom skills translated into coding. Starting with Python, learning variables felt like organizing lesson plans, just with different syntax. Next, I tackled HTML and CSS, building my first web page and watching plain text transform into a styled interface. JavaScript brought interactivity. Suddenly my static pages could respond to users. Flask was my gateway to backend development, connecting all the pieces into something functional and meaningful. The problem-solving mindset I developed as a teacher became my superpower in debugging code and tackling new challenges. If you're considering a career change, remember your existing skills are more valuable than you think. The learning curve is steep, but every small victory builds towards something bigger. Your next chapter is waiting. Okay, so when you come to InVideo AI, make sure you are in the 4.0 version. That's this. Make sure you are clicking 4.0 version. Okay, then down here you will see AI twins. Alright, so you click it. Now you have this option of YouTube to avatar, or you have a recording you want to clone into an avatar, or you just want to clone your voice. Now I already have a video that I used previously. If you see down here, you see the avatar already created. Now if you want to start the cloning, first thing you should do, you should click on recording to avatar, because you should have already had a video that you've recorded. Now you touch that, and now it shows this interface and says create an express avatar. Mind you, if you are going to do a recording that you're going to be cloning, you should make sure that the recording is up to 60 seconds video. That video should be up to 60 seconds at least. And you can upload multiple clips to make it up to 60 seconds. It doesn't matter. But the most important thing that you should make sure you say this second line here: I give InVideo AI permission to use my avatar in this workspace. Make sure you say these words so that it can take it and use your video to create an avatar for you. And the next thing you should do, you should speak naturally and pause when you're talking to the camera and look directly to the camera. Now if you see down here, it says I already have used 1/1 of my express avatar. Because I'm using a free plan, it only allows me to just clone only once. So you can upgrade. I'm just trying to test this new AI and see what I can do with it. So you can upgrade and have more to create. Now I've already used the video. I will show you the video that I recorded and I cloned to create this. So once we have created your avatar video from your recording, then I'll show you the next thing to do. We go back here. Then after creating your video, it has already cloned it. You've given permission to InVideo AI to clone it. Then come straight here again and just write a prompt. Now what I wrote initially was a prompt describing my CS50 final project. I just imputed it into there, and I clicked this button here, this blue button, and it generated a video, a completely different video. Although it still used what I said, it gave me a more polished English and more beautiful visual. So that's all about it. Thank you so much. Let me know what you think about using InVideo AI. Would you be using it for your adverts, for your promotion, or your brand? You can drop it in the comment section and I'll reply you. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Thank you. Bye.